Hey guys, welcome to Wild Hope Homestead. We've got a lot going on in the garden this weekend, trying to get the raised beds topped up with the compost, get the pile moved from out the front and try and get more crops in before Christmas. Got lots of frisky young cockerels over there, and basil, keeping everyone in line. I'm going to probably just do one more butchering session before Christmas, and we've got lots of cleaning and tidying and food making to do, so it's going to be a busy week this week. Excuse me, oh boy, here we go with the feeding frenzy. That's what we have to deal with. Pushy chickens. You're distracted. Whoa. Let's do the split cockerel. Do this blue cockerel. And do this splash cockerel. Last three big bums we have left. There's Jemima's girl. She's got nice colouring, nice lacing. See this black boy. Remaining black boy. He's got quite a nice shape going on at the moment. Do the splash boy. Splashy. This is his favourite. And Judas Blue Boy. The three that we have left. I wasn't planning to have one of each colour, but those are just, that's how it panned out. The best ones left. No girls. Still got plenty more compost to shovel and bring around to the raised bed garden. Hello, meatbirds. Enjoying your freedom. You're just free ranging on the lawn now, except when we're out. Hey. Hello, don't pick my toes. The rain has set in once again. Welcome to another rainy episode on Wild Hope Homestead. Decisions now. I've got three big cockerels left. Black, splash, blue, all from Judith, which is good because she's our best coloured blue hen, one of our best two hens overall. But, well, the two I want to keep for now are the blue one and the black one. Angus's favourite is splashy over there. So, yep. Get those ones out. Good girl. Good job.
Keep your poo in your butt.
What?
That poo. It's pooing.
What?
A snail.
Oh.
Snail is pooing.
Ooh. Oh dear. I'm just carrying on with the weeding by myself in the rain now. It's only, the rain's not too heavy, and I don't mind gardening in the rain when it's so humid. It's just very soggy. Chickens are enjoying their weed piles. Gives them something to do in the rain. You guys have made a nice green carpet there, haven't you? The 3 remaining meatbirds are having one last wander around, eating some weeds and grass. I'm going to try doing one in the butchering session tomorrow. They always come over to me because I'm just the food person, aren't I? Yes. And then we'll be left with the girl and the smallest one. I'm going to try and put those two. Where's the girl? Off round the corner. I'm going to try and put the last 2 in of the main flock over Christmas, so I don't have to worry about moving their pen and things. Oh, you got a worm, did you? Oh, goodness. And we'll see how they go with the main flock. We sort of have the idea, Angus and I, that we might be able to keep the girl for a bit to egg-laying age, to see if we can cross her with an Australorp, but I don't know if she'll last that long, but we'll see. The size of this again. That's so cool. I'm just winding the tomatoes at the moment and cutting off lower leaves and laterals. and I had to pull it out from down the end of the tomato row. I could fit 4 more tomatoes in. So that's good. This one, I don't know what that is. That was a volunteer one I dug out of the main veggie garden. You can see it looks a lot healthier than the poor sad ones that are in their little pots for too long. But they'll be right. These ones are looking a lot better. Thanks for hanging out with us this weekend. We've got some really good stuff done in the garden, which is nice, and it's finally starting to look like the veggie garden that I remember. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Which one was your favourite this year?
Green. Is at the top. That's okay.
We've got a sheep in the house.
What? We've definitely got a sheep in the house. Bye. Did you just say bye, Scarlett? Bye.
Hee-haw. Donkey.
I'll eat some hay.
That's baby Jesus' bed.
Well, how could they feed the animals?
I'm sure they had more hay. Sheep. What's your tongue doing? Bum, bum, bum. Who is it?
Herod.
When Herod the king heard this, he was troubled, and all Jerusalem with him. And assembling all the chief priests and scribes of the people, he inquired of them where the Christ was to be born. They told him, in Bethlehem of Judea, for so it is written by the prophet. And you, O Bethlehem, in the land of Judah, are by no means least among the rulers of Judah, for from you shall come a ruler who will shepherd my people Israel. Then Herod summoned the wise men secretly and ascertained from them what time the star had appeared. And he sent them to Bethlehem, saying, Go and search diligently for the child, and when you have found him, bring me word, that I too may come and worship him.
and then they go to Egypt, and then he dies.
Herod.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the ending of this. That's the ending of this story.
I'm dying.
Not straight away, but